Evacuation. It's going to start at noon for several counties along the South Carolina coast. Governor McMaster is ordering hundreds of thousands of people to leave ahead of the hurricane.
And with these announcements, we know that we cannot make everybody happy, but we believe that we can keep everyone alive.
The governor issued that order after 6 last night. The evacuation begins at noon today, as will lane reversals out of the Charleston area on Interstate 26. This is a live look at that area where the reversals will go into effect. This is right at I-526. All lanes of I-26 will be westbound, and we're going to have more on that coming up in just a moment. But the Carolinas chief meteorologist Christy Henderson is here with the latest tracking on Hurricane Dorian.
All right, Fred, yeah, that system is still pretty far down to our south, and that gives people along the South Carolina coast time to get everything together and to move on out to get out of the way. This system is stationary, and it's over Grand Bahama Island. Top winds of 165 miles per hour with higher wind gusts and incredible storm surge, 18 to 23 feet. The highest winds are within the eye wall here. Of course, the winds are calm in the eye. Notice how it's been kind of wobbling to the west and northwest, but it's nearly stationary, and it's going to be in that same general area all day today. Over the next couple of days, it does begin to move north and eventually northeast. Our worst weather along the South Carolina coast will be from Wednesday afternoon until Thursday afternoon, and you can see the track here. It may still be a major hurricane off the coast of Georgia getting into early Thursday morning, and if this ventures to the left of the track, which is entirely possible, that brings some of those hurricane force winds inland. So better safe than sorry with this track. It's definitely going to be a close call. South Carolina coastal impacts, tropical storm conditions are likely. Hurricane conditions will be possible again Wednesday afternoon through Thursday afternoon. 4 to 8 inches of rain, storm surge inundation. That ocean's going to be pushed inland ahead of the system. Local impacts here in the western Carolinas. We're pretty far west, so it'll be breezy, windy, and isolated stray shower or storm is possible over eastern portions of the area. But overall in the western Carolinas, our weather's going to be a lot quieter.
Thanks so much. Dorian, of course, a Category 5 hurricane, very strong, and Governor McMaster has ordered a mandatory evacuation for 8 coastal counties. 7 News' Tatiana Cash is live in Greenville, and she's going to be telling us how this could impact us here.
That's right, Sabila. Yes, so I'm standing outside of the Embassy Suites in the Hampton Inn, where we imagine many folks who have been part of that evacuation might be seeking shelter from. Now, we do know that state officials did do a mandatory evacuation for both Charleston and Beaufort counties. Now, what we can tell you is that the evacuation zones do include Jasper, Georgetown, Horry, Colton, Berkeley, and Dorchester counties. Now, rain reversals, as we've been talking about all morning, will begin at noon today for US 278 starting at Hilton Head Island and at I-226 from Charleston to Columbia. Officials have shared their plan. They did so on Sunday to evacuate more than 800,000 people ahead of this monster storm. Now, they are bracing for a lot of traffic due to the fact that this is the Labor Day holiday weekend.
This is a way to handle additional anticipated traffic as people leave the coastal area. In short, our operation will move as many people or evacuees away from the threatened area as quickly but safely as possible.
Now, you can find a full list of the evacuation zones on our website at WSPA.com. Just look under the banner of Tracking Hurricane Dorian. Here in Greenville, Tatiana Cash, 7 News.
Thank you, Tatiana. 7 News will keep you updated with the latest on the track of Hurricane Dorian. Just click on the Track Hurricane Dorian banner on our homepage at WSPA.com. There you'll find maps, radar, and the latest track of the storm. You can also check out our 7 News Facebook page with the latest updates from Storm Team 7.